Okay, so we're making a little video to wish everyone a Happy New Year. And because it snowed in Texas. And Kipper is working on something. Maybe, she said. Dewey, go.
Oh, look at the cat.
I know. Oh. Run, babe, run. Woo! Is there only one?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. Only one.
Only one.
There we go, one more in there?
Dewey got scared. Yes, please. Oh, look, baby got somebody else started.
Did they?
Yeah, I just heard them.
Wanna hold it?
No. You hold it. It's cold.
We're like, shut it down! Shut it down! That was cool.
Yeah, I like that one. Look, somebody's over there doing them. Kipper wanted to be so polite and not be noisy. But I said, babe, it's a snowstorm in Texas, number one. Like, this blows my mind, being from Pennsylvania, that I am in Texas with snow on the ground, a scarf, a hat, gloves, sweatshirt, North Face, big old boots. Like, it just blows my mind. And I'm sure, 2020 was probably not the best year for any of us. But there's still hope out there. And I wish... I'm getting sappy, babe. I'm getting sappy. And I wish everybody that sees this a very, very happy and prosperous 2021. So let's just hold on a little while longer. Remember, regulators, mask up. Please, mask up. We have that on our refrigerator, one of those little boards. I got so excited when I thought of it. I was like, babe, go read the fridge. It says, regulators, mask up. And so keep masking up and let's get to 2021, okay? But until then, just look at the snow.
What's the matter?
Nothing, we're looking at the snow. Oh, I was wishing everyone a happy 2021. Look at my babe. She's out there working for me. Woohoo! Do it! So we were going to go live, but Kipper and I no longer meet the criteria. So everybody subscribe. Get us back up there if that's what we need. So you can watch us do more fireworks. Woo! Oh, that was beautiful! Thanks, babe.
That was cool. That was really cool. That was awesome!
It's freezing. Do you want to tell him Happy New Year? Oh, she's not. She else wants to be excited in the snow. Whew. You have more? Yeah. Yay! I'm like a kid, guys. I said I'm like a kid. Come on, babe. Come on. 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 Whoa.
Oh, it was cool.
Yeah, I like the one that did the boom, 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 boom.
The sparkles?
Yeah. That's it.
Well, I got more.
It's cold out here.
There's 2 more, or that's it?
Just tell everyone Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Happy New Year, babe.
Happy New Year, baby.
Happy New Year. Happy New Year.
Okay, we're going back in.
Happy
Oh, I
Christmas.
smell all the sulfur.
Smells good.
All right.
I should do like
Happy New Year. You're doing one more, baby?
Well, I'll do these last couple.
Okay. She wants to do 2 more for everyone. So I let her. Well, I mean, I don't let her. She can do whatever she wants, but I'll support her. Gonna be trying to be all politically correct. Woo! It's cold, guys. I hope you're all safe and warm.
Yeah, I'll do this last once.
Okay, baby.
In this pack.
Let's watch her. That's my babe right there. I love her so much. If it wasn't for her right there, I wouldn't have ever been in a snowstorm in Texas. Look at the sky. That's a snow sky. So we have gotten a cat that has now adopted us from our trip to Pennsylvania. It jumped on our trailer. We did not know it, obviously. And when we came home,
Ready?
we had a cat. Yeah. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Woo!
There you go.
That was a good ending. Oh, sorry, I'm
Man,
beating
that
you up.
stung.
Oh, I'm sorry. I just slapped her in the face.
With your glove, like at the very fingertip.
Okay.
All right. Game over.
Peace out. Game over. Happy New Year.